Council. Chirag Paswan also met with Dharmendra Pradhan, and Vinod Tavre was also present at that meeting. This again as the government formation talks are taking place for Bihar. BJP leaders met with leaders of the allied parties before government formation. So Chirag Paswan, Kushwaha and Jitin Ram Manjhi all met with Dharmendra Pradhan and Vinod Tavre. NDTV's Prashant with this report.
These are believed to be the final round of talks between the alliance partners within the NDA to give shape to the new government in Bihar, which is likely to be sworn in 2 or 3 days' time from now under the leadership of Bihar Chief Minister Nitish Kumar. The swearing-in ceremony is likely to take place either on 19th or 20th of November. But before that, the final shape of the new government is to be given, and for that, final round of talks have been held between the BJP leaders and its alliance partners. If yesterday the talks were held with the JDU leaders, including its working president Sanjay Jha and the cabinet minister Lalan Singh, and the talks were held between Amit Shah, Dharmendra Pradhan and Sanjay Jha and Lalan Singh. Today it was the turn of 3 smaller parties within the NDA, including Chirag Paswan, Jitin Ram Manjhi and Upendra Kushwaha, to stitch out the final shape of the new government. And it is believed, we have been told by our sources in the NDA, that on most of the issues the things have been worked out. And according to sources, 1 MLA each from Upendra Kushwaha and Jitin Ram Manjhi's party and 2 MLAs from Chirag Paswan's party are likely to be sworn in as the minister in the new government. There is one more issue which is being worked out, is whether one MLA or one member from the Chirag Paswan's party, from Chirag Paswan party, may be given the Deputy Chief Minister's post, for which talks are still underway, and it is still to be decided whether this post will be given to Chirag Paswan's party. So overall, the talks have been complete, but my sources have told me that if needed, there may be some more round of talks tomorrow. But in any case, by tomorrow evening, final shape of the new government is likely to be given, and the new government is likely to be sworn in, as I told you, in the 2-3 days time, either on 19th of November or 20th of November.